Growing up, we always had leftover rice, eggs, and scallions in the fridge. And this was our favorite way to turn them into something incredibly delicious. You will only need a few simple ingredients and 3 minutes of your time. Chop the white parts of the scallions into about half-inch pieces. Thinly slice the green parts and set aside. Crack the eggs into a bowl and lightly beat them. For the best results, use overnight jasmine rice. It has reduced moisture, so each grain stays separate during stir-frying. If you are making fresh steamed rice, use a 1:1 rice-to-water ratio and cook it using the rice setting. Once it is done, spread it out on a plate to cool. Let it air dry for at least 30 minutes or cover it up and refrigerate overnight. In a wok over medium heat, add the cooking oil and the white parts of the scallions. Cook for about 20 seconds until aromatic. Remove the scallions. A quick infusion adds a deep flavor and aroma. With the scallion oil still in the wok, turn the heat to high. Pour in the beaten eggs and scramble until about halfway cooked. Add the rice. Stir and toss until each grain is separated. Some eggs will wrap around the rice and makes every bite extra tasty. Season it with a pinch of white pepper and soy sauce. Mix well. Finish with the green parts of the scallions and give it a final toss. There you have it, an easy 3 minutes egg fried rice recipe that brings out the best in your leftovers. It's comforting, delicious, and endlessly flexible. To make it a meal, pair it with my broccoli and garlic sauce. Visit here for the recipe. That was absolutely delicious. So please comment below and share with us what is your favorite type of fried rice. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!